Welcome to Rich Quiz channel! In today's video, you will get the hottest YouTubers on names are dancing. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and like this video for more fun quizzes. Now are you ready to have fun? Round 1. Who is the owner of this song?
Damn it, I'll say it, I got a love-hate relationship with love cause I hate it, you know I stay hard.
Great guess! This is Jax.
Damn it, I'll say it, I got a love-hate relationship with love cause I hate it, you know I stay hard.
Round 2. Do you recognize this voice? You're so intelligent! Catnap! Round 3. Can you guess who's dancing? That is Anya! Did you guess this ones? Round 4. Whose dance is this? Please like this video. Thank you. Nice, Lisa Simpson. Round 5. Read the song.
Let's kill this love. Yeah, 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 yeah.
How do you feel about this song? Let me know in the comments below. Round 6. Who is dancing behind the screen? Wow, good job! Ladybug! Round 7. What dance is this? Oh, that's right! Red Larva Samsung! Round 8. Would you rather Princess Peach? Or Rainbow Friends? Write down your answer in the comment. Round 9. Who owns this singing?
Into the wild, there's a mascot who's meant to steal the shakes but always got caught. Like him.
Well done, it's Grimace.
Into the wild, there's a mascot who's meant to steal the shakes but always got caught. Like him.
Round 10. Guess who owns this voice? Please like this video. Thank you. When mom isn't home, you got it right. Round 11. Do you know this dance? Transfer is Gummy Bear. Round 12. Can you see who is this? Oh cute, Toothless Pomni. Round 13. Would you rather Sonic or Crab Rape? Let us know in the comment section. Round 14. Who's dancing?
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
Please share this video with your friends. Good thinking. It's Cosita.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
Round 15. Can you recognize this voice?
Like the girl in the mirror, wanna act like, dance like.
Peyton Dillo is the best choice.
Like the girl in the mirror, wanna act like, dance like.
Round 16. What sing is this?
Somehow you think you're the kid. Like my subject, you cower. You got nothing on girl power.
It's Salish Matter. So cool.
Somehow you think you're the kid. Like my subject, you cower. You got nothing on girl power.
Round 17. Guess who's dancing? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh, Pedro Catnap. Round 18. Who dances this?
That was my moment, I urinate in his face. My mind is racing with haste. All I could think of.
Yes, that one guy.
That was my moment, I urinate in his face. My mind is racing with haste. All I could think of.
Round 19. Can you see who is this? Are you ready? Nobody says it. Round 20. Do you know who is dancing?
Let it go, when I rise like a
One more point for you. It's Elsa. Today's video commended. Did you like today's video? Comment down below. Remember to subscribe for more interesting videos to discover more about Rich Quiz. Goodbye!